Hello everyone, this is an Aimsun video today, and I got a question about creating a demand actuated signal where a detector causes red and not green. So it is green by default, but when a vehicle comes, it goes to red. It is probably not a usual application, but it can be used as a warning, or in some cases just maybe certain studies. But anyway, this video will explain, I will go through. Let me just say a quick thank you if you comment or subscribe to my channel or you like the videos, and also if you support me on Patreon or on YouTube as a member, I really appreciate it. Thank you. So as you can see, I have a very simple network. There is a section, two nodes, two centroids just to have the traffic demand, and I have a micro simulation dynamic experiment set up. I have a node because we can only have signals in a node, and I place the detector. You can place a detector using this icon, and also make sure that whenever you have signals that you have a control plan and you assign it to a master control plan, and you assign this master control plan in your dynamic scenario here, and also your traffic demand. Okay, so the idea behind it is it's actually very simple. So what you need to do is you just need to use a dummy signal or a dummy signal group, and if you open the node, go to signal groups, as you can see I have a main and a dummy. Main, I select the turn, the movement that you want to use a red signal for. Then the dummy, there is nothing assigned to the dummy. It's just there as an empty signal group, a dummy one. And if you go to the control plan, make sure that you select actuated. And I just use a cycle time for 20 because it's just an example, just to show the principle on how to do it. Then you create two phases. Just use the add phase and add two phases. And here I select the main phase in one of the phases or stage here. For the first, I assign main signal group to this phase. Then I have another phase, and in the other phase you assign the dummy. And as you can see, if I select the dummy, there is no turn assigned to it, so it will be green, but it won't be because there is nothing. I didn't assign it to anything. And the trick, what is the most important setting, is that this green is recall, is min, or you basically need to set it to something, min or max, and don't set that in no. You want it to be min. Basically, every time there is a cycle, this phase number one will always be called. And the other important thing is hold. So it will hold it, that green, if there is no demand for the other one. So now, and for the first one, there is no detector, nothing set up. It just basically, in actuated, you have a recall and you have a hold. That's it. Then, for the second phase, as you can see, I assigned the dummy signal group for it, and this dummy signal group will be called using the detector. So you click add, and you select your detector, then your detector appears here, and here you just click call phase. You can tick everything as off, and no, and no. Just tick yes, so when a detector detects vehicles, it will call the dummy phase. And that dummy phase, when it comes, will stop the green, and because the main signal group is assigned to the first phase, and the detector will call in the second one the dummy phase, and in that one the main phase is red, that will create a red, on a detector call because the dummy phase is called using the detector. So if I now run the model, I just do auto run. A vehicle should arrive in basically any moment. Yeah, here it comes. And it goes red. And since the phase is just 10 seconds, it keeps it for 10 seconds and then it will go. When the next vehicle is coming, that will call again the dummy phase. And then there we go. You can set up that detector in a way that if how long you want to extend or how do you want to deal with multiple vehicles, or if you want to extend anything. So that's, you can deal with that, but this is the principle. So you need to have a dummy phase and you call that dummy phase with the detector, and you make sure that the main phase, the green phase, is you set the recall and you tick the hold. Otherwise, it would go to the next phase and it would keep going like that. So you just want to make sure that that is set to hold. Thanks for watching. I hope this answered your question. And keep commenting and liking. And see you in the next one.